Seriously, don't do it. Don't do it. I can laugh with
shut
another
up,
two.
Justin.
Please. Please. That tells us within 5. No, 4. Mike, you better listen. I do not need another dentist appointment. Please, it's fine. It's fine. Mike! Scurry! Oh, he actually jumped. I wanted his teeth. Oh! Holy shit. Wow! I'm an actual fairy, guys! Look at me! I fly! Whee!
You saying this right now? He is stupid.
Here, I'll fly up. Oh my gosh! I'm the gifted one. Y'all losers don't have what I have. Does he not care that he's literally levitating from the air? I land. Ah! Mike, you're seriously so dumb. I wish you actually jumped off. Wait. My girlfriend. What? Yeah, that's my girlfriend right there. Attack. Power mode.